look at this. Can you see the horse face and the horse shoe in this ring? I have it also in gold color. Isn't this a very cool design, especially for those who are riding horses and are a horse lover? I'm going to show you on my hand, and you see how it looks, this beautiful horse. And I have another one in my hand. I'm going to show you. This is the gold one you see in my hand. I have them in different sizes. These are also stainless steel, gold plated. This is the main color in a silver color. You can take shower with it, never change, never fade. And this is one of the very common question that my customer always ask: what is the material and how is about the quality of the color? I can tell you 100% guarantee this is in silver color, never fade. Take shower, go to the pool, to the ocean, and until you lose it. And the gold one has guarantee for 2 years. It will keep the color for 2 years. You can take shower, wash it, and after 2 years, slowly it will be something between gold and silver. The main color will come out of the metal. And stainless steels are always reasonable prices. Look at this one. This is a family. Mama and Papa and the rest of family with children. I love this. This one is pure silver 925, and I think I found it in a small local shop when I've been in Malaga, Spain. I love this one, and it's only one. If it fits your size, it will be yours. If not, it doesn't meant to be for you. Sorry. I love the design. What do you like more? Let me know. Are you a horse lover, or do you love eagle or ring? Eagle or lion or owl? I have them on my other videos. Check it out and let me know what is your favorite ring design style.